9 Amazing Benefits of Chia Seeds. 1. They help you gain muscle mass. Chia seeds have high-quality proteins. When you add them to your diet, they help you build muscle mass. Eating them on a regular basis is a great help when it comes to making and strengthening lean mass in your body. This is especially true when they're part of a physical fitness plan. Along with its fiber and minerals, this food increases the regeneration process in your tissues. It also reduces muscular tension. 2. They help calm joint pain. Because of their high content of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, these seeds are a great complement when treating joint pain. These compounds have an interesting anti-inflammatory effect on your body. When combined with other good habits, it helps relieve these pains. 3. They help improve your digestion. In addition, the dietary fiber in chia seeds is useful for improving your digestive processes. This is especially true for people who suffer from constipation and irritable bowel syndrome. Eating them contributes to the regeneration of bacterial flora in your colon. As a result, it fights inflammation and promotes the removal of harmful toxins. 4. They strengthen your bones. The essential minerals that this food has are a great help in strengthening your bones. This means they can help you avoid premature bone loss. 2 tablespoons of these seeds give you up to 18% of the daily recommended value of calcium. Also, their antioxidants minimize the damage caused by free radicals. Because of this, they prevent age-related deterioration. 5. They help you lose weight. Adding chia seeds to your diet plan can help you get interesting benefits. This is especially true when talking about losing body weight. This is due to their significant amount of fiber and antioxidants. After being absorbed, they prolong your feeling of fullness and increase the amount of energy you burn. 6. They prevent premature aging. There are essential nutrients that are concentrated in these seeds. They are useful for minimizing the negative effects of oxidative damage on your cells. Their omega-3 and vitamin E content reduce the risk of premature aging both internally and in your skin. At the same time, it offers the best protection against damage caused by the sun's UV rays. 7. They give you energy. The proteins and healthy fats in these seeds are useful for giving your body a surge of energy. This is especially true for performing highly demanding physical tasks. Besides their essential minerals, these nutrients optimize energy usage in your body. They also increase your mental and physical energy. 8. They help you avoid dehydration. This food has the ability to absorb between 10 and 12 times its weight in water. Because of this, it's excellent for preventing cellular dehydration. On the other hand, thanks to the amount of potassium and magnesium it has, it increases your body's levels of electrolytes. These tend to become unbalanced when you lose a lot of liquids. 9. They protect your heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are good for protecting your cardiovascular health. These kinds of healthy fats have a very positive effect on your body. They control high levels of cholesterol and triglycerides. Thus, they help prevent diseases like arteriosclerosis. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.